Hey, greetings YouTube! Performance reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today we have a ORECK Discovery to unbox and I guess discover. Excuse the puns here. In full disclosure, TTI did send this as a media sample for me to review and test we shall. First we have to get it out of the box. The box is kind of on the large side, a little surprised, and it's just like black and white. It says Discover, so it really makes you want to discover what's in the box. So let's go ahead and start opening it up. Mine had kind of a rough ride over here, and the bottom was already open. I didn't even have to do anything about it. So we have some nice eco-friendly cardboard packaging. We have the vacuum cleaner itself. Handle. All right, here's what comes in the box. We have the machine, the handle, the manual, extra vacuum bag, that's always welcome. And there's a quick start guide with some QR codes on top of the box. If you open the box properly, unlike what I did, you would have seen this first thing. And it shows you how to assemble the handle. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. One of the reasons they've gone to this style of handle versus some of their previous models is you see that there is a wire connecting it. Well, I so happen to have the previous version of this machine right here. And this machine had a battery in the handle. So you had to change a battery for your switch on your handle. So this is an improvement upon that, just having a corded handle. Maybe one of the few situations where corded is better than cordless. Now, assembling this is really, really easy. You see, there's a button lock, and you just press it in till you hear the click. And there we go. So that was easy. And then you can see the cord just clips to the points right here. And this curly Q is an interesting detail because this machine has a swivel neck that allows it to flex. The base is polymer. We have a nice squeegee for hard floor, and everything else looks very similar to the Magnesium, which is a good thing. The Magnesium was a great design. Again, this being an improvement upon that. And we can see the Oreck logo embossed in black right here. For those who are curious, it does come with a bag pre-installed, ready to go. Now, for those who have never had a bagged vacuum or have not seen this bag, it's really good. You just unzip it, and the outer bag acts as sound deadening. And there's a big tab. You just pull it, and upon doing that, we've now sealed the bag. So the dust and the dirt are not going to escape the bag. And the bag itself has charcoal lining, which helps with odors. You can see there's a bag dock here. Put a new bag in. All you do is insert there. You'll notice those will clip in. And then you want to press till you hear the click. Heard the click right there? You just tuck it in. Very easy to change. The other thing that's a big improvement is off, hard floor, and carpet are all clearly marked in the handle, and it's very ergonomic. The handle is large and accommodates somebody with big man hands like myself. That the swivel neck on this cleaner is one of the best ones we've seen. It really maneuvers well. The angle is perfect, both using it up high or using it down low. So this has a long life belt system. Here's what happens if you do something you shouldn't. You notice the light is flashing. The machine turned off instantly. Turn the machine off. Clear the object. I recommend unplugging it while you do that. This switch is easy to bump. And no harm done to the machine. Again, a great feature on this Oreck, a vast improvement over previous generations of machines. The first thing I want to do here is just point out some of the noticeable improvements. Like I said, there's no battery in the handle. Also, you notice how the old one leans forward quite a bit? That was very weird, and when you put this machine away, you always felt like it was going to tip over. Now it kind of sits a little bit more upright. It's still leaning forward slightly. It's a lot more of a relaxed design. The other improvement, I know this is going to sound strange, but the cord placement. On the old one, I used to, and I'm above 6 feet, have to reach down to wind the cord. Now, the cord is up high where it belongs, and it's easier to get to. So again, really nice improvement features from Oreck. A quick little benefit I noticed as well is this seems to maintain contact with the carpet when it's all the way low, where the old one used to bottom out a little bit easier. So again, small little improvements. Another thing is they've added an LED headlight. Hey, we've switched to our studio microphone, so you're going to hear the real sound of the machine as we run it. And I've thrown down some pet hair. Why, this is not the review video. That will come about a month from now. If you're watching this in the future, you'll get to just click on that here. But until then, I want to see just how it would do out of the box on some pet hair. Well, no surprise that handled that with ease. This machine, at least the older versions, were Carpet and Rug Institute certified, so it doesn't surprise me that Oreck knows how to make something that cleans. Just for fun, I thought I'd throw down some fine sand. This is one of the hardest things to clean. Let's see how it does. Well, it did pretty well. You see, the edge cleaning wasn't great on this side, and I'll explain that. If you want to do a lot of edge cleaning, you're going to want to do it from this side. As you can see, the brush roller is farther away, and that's because the belt sits on this side. Speaking of belts, there is no reason to ever change this belt. It's a lifetime belt system. Alright, I'm going to briefly talk about the hard floor performance of this machine. It's not meant to do delicate wood floor. It's meant to do like linoleum or engineered floor. Even tile like this, I really wouldn't recommend it on. And I'm going to explain to you why. Having the brush roller continuous spinning on hard floor is really hard on the machine. So you're going to prematurely wear the brush roller out if you use it a lot on hard floor. Again, if you have one of the softer synthetic or engineered hard floor, this is less of an issue. Now, I have some breakfast cereal and some animal hair, and I'm going to show you how it picks up on both of those things. Again, wait for the full review where we do our usual pickup test. I've also angled the camera on a slant, so if anything goes behind the machine, you can see that. So, its hard floor performance is better than, say, some of the other Oreck vacuum cleaners. Again, there's a lot of improvements on this design. This squeegee is one of those improvements along with the brush roller design. It's a little bit more hard floor friendly. However, you see, we did locate a few pieces of cereal behind the machine. But again, this is so much better than previous generations of Orecks. I think if you just wanted to get the pet hair or a large mess in your kitchen up real quick, or just a quick go around in an upstairs bathroom, I think this would be more than adequate for most people. Overall, I think the Oreck Discovery brings some much needed updates to the Magnesium lineup. I'm happy to see it, and I think you'll quite enjoy this vacuum if you're doing a lot of carpet and you want something that's a lightweight upright. Now, just like almost every vacuum cleaner Oreck has made in the past, you'll want to equip it with a canister vacuum for your above the floor cleaning needs, or if you have a section of the house that has a lot of hard floor. If you wish to purchase a Oreck Discovery, check out the description. We're going to have a link that benefits the channel. We'll also have a dealer locator where you can find one of these today at your local dealer. You'll also find all sorts of other useful information in the description as well. Big thank you to TTI/Oreck for sending me this machine for test and review. Stay tuned for the full review, hit that bell notification, and have yourself a wonderful day.